Hey guys, welcome to my bedroom. I'm going to be taking you guys along my journey of getting ready hair and makeup for a fun day night out with my husband. I've stored a lot of my makeup right here in this area in front of my full-length mirror, so I just naturally over time started to get ready here instead of the restroom. So this is like my little makeup counter, and this is where I always get ready. For date night, I like to wear a little bit of a heavier coverage, and I really love this Avon True Color one. It's a flawless liquid foundation. So I'm gonna go a little bit heavier. If it was like a daytime thing, I would do more of a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream, but nighttime, you know, gotta look a little extra. Onto my eyes. For date night, I like to wear a little bit of like a darker eye, so whether it's a darker color or maybe just like a dramatic eyeliner. And then I love to do like a bold red lip. I just feel like it's very like perfect for date night. So today I'm gonna do kind of like a glittery, slight glittery eye with an eyeliner and a red lip. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a smoky eye on the bottom and then a really bold cat eyeliner up top. And I don't like to bring it all the way in. I feel like it makes your eyes look smaller. So I only bring it in halfway and then smudge. I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner, and I love the Stila All Day waterproof one. This one's like my favorite liquid eyeliner. And I'm gonna do a cat eye. Usually I would put falsies on for a date night, but I actually have lash extensions on right now, which is great because then I can just add some mascara and I still have that like dramatic lash look. I'm gonna move on to my bronzer. And then I'm going to finish my under eyes after I take the baking off. Whenever you're doing a red lip, try to avoid putting blush on your apples and just take it up a little bit higher. And of course, date night wouldn't be complete without a red lip. The red I'm going to be using today is Galactic Iconic. It's actually one of my favorite red shades. Okay, time for my hair. I usually like to just clip this entire top half and then do the bottom half and then work my way up by curling it. Okay, hair and makeup is done. It's time to pick an outfit. And I always start with shoes first, I don't know why, and then I pick my outfit depending on what shoes I feel like wearing. I'm thinking black suede pumps. Okay, I got my dress on, I got my shoes on, I am ready for date night, which means it's time for you guys to go. Hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I'll see you guys next time.